following a year when little felt certain, there are still taxes.
2020 has been anything but routine or normal. With that will come changes to a lot of people's individual tax returns.
And in very 2020 fashion, you might want to consider postponing, or at least adjusting, when you file, says Dan Schindler with Anders CPA.
There's a little strategy involved.
That's because of talk in Congress of a third stimulus check that could roll out right in the middle of tax season. Though lawmakers are still ironing out details, the Treasury would issue those payments based on 2019 or 2020 tax returns, whatever is most recent.
If you are on the verge of qualifying or not qualifying for potential upcoming stimulus check, you may want to consider accelerating when you file your 2020 tax return or delay filing your 2020 tax return, just depending on what your income level was in 2019 versus what it is expected to be in 2020.
Meaning, if you earned more in 2020 than in 2019, you could stand to get more stimulus money if you wait to file until closer to the April 15th deadline. If you made less last year, file sooner to get the biggest check you're eligible for. Filing earlier is also the better option if you had a child in 2020, another dependent who may qualify for stimulus money, if you are still waiting for either of the previous stimulus checks, and if you're expecting a refund and want it sooner than later.
It's been a very odd year. Take a step back and look at how did my personal situation change and what can I take advantage of with the changes that and opportunities that came about via stimulus packages.
Abby Rico, 5 on your side.